QNT-USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, around 1 month. Entry levels, 80.6 to 106.9. Take profit targets. Target 1, 207.4. Target 2, 235.9. Target 3, 264.4. Target 4, 293.2. Target 5, 342.4. Stop loss, 47.6. Keys to success. Careful analysis. Avoid rushing. Utilize simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance levels. Important recommendation. After reaching a take profit target, consider adjusting your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price to lock in profits and minimize potential losses during market shifts. Entry. Aim to enter after a pullback in price. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. We wish you successful trading.